Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.1 question number 5. Part 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Firstly I want to describe about polynomial. Because you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term based polynomial. Second, degree based polynomial. Firstly, I want to describe about term based polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about my words? Very good. First, constant polynomial. A polynomial containing only one term consisting of constant is called constant polynomial. For example, minus 5, minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3, so on. Next, zero polynomial. A polynomial having only one term, namely 0, is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is clear? No confusion about zero polynomial? Very good. Next, monomial. A polynomial having one term is called monomial. For example, mu power 43, 3 by 5 xz, so on. Next, binomial. A polynomial having degree 2, a polynomial having term 2 is called binomial. Binomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Example of binomial is x square plus x. Next example, y power 30 plus root 2, so on. Next, trinomial. A polynomial having three terms is called trinomial. For example, x power 4 plus x cube plus 3. Next example, mu power 43 plus mu power 31 plus mu, so on. Term based polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about degree based polynomial. Clear? Degree based polynomial are many types. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Form of linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. It has 1 0, means one answer. Linear polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has 2 zeros, means 2 answers. It is clear? Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. It has 3 zeros, means 3 answers. My words is clear? Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Form of biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It has 4 or more than 4 zeros, means it has 4 or more than 4 answers. Polynomial is clear? Degree based polynomial and term based polynomial is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Now I want to describe about operation, variable, terms, coefficients and degree of a polynomial. Clear? Plus minus sign is called its operation. Alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c, so on is called its variable. Separated part by operation plus minus is called its terms. Number in front of each term is called coefficient. Maximum power of variable is called its degree. All is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You learn this. You can solve your question very easily by the help of these rules. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.1 question number 5. Classify the following is linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. It means you classify which is linear polynomial, which is quadratic polynomial and which is cubic polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. First, x square plus x. Second question, x minus x cube. Third, y plus y square plus 4. Fourth, 1 plus x. Fifth, 3t. Sixth, r square. And seventh question, 7x cube. Question is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You find which is linear polynomial, which is quadratic polynomial and which is cubic polynomial. Clear? See the first solution. X square plus x is first question. Here plus is operation. X is variable. Here power of x is 1. Power of x is 1 and here power is 2. It means maximum power of polynomial is 2. Hence its degree is 2. It is clear? No confusion about it? By the rule of quadratic polynomial, a polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It means it is quadratic polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here maximum power is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Maximum power is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next solution. Next question, x minus x cube. It is your question. Here minus is operation, x is variable. Here power is 1 and here power is 3. Maximum power of this polynomial is 3. Hence it is cubic polynomial. According to rule, a polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. It is clear? Form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus c equal to 0. Clear? See the board. Here maximum power is 3. Maximum power is 3. Here, clear? Hence, it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Maximum power is 3. Hence, it is cubic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next. Solution. Y plus y square plus 4 is your question. Your question is y plus y square plus 4. Clear? Here plus is operation, 4 is constant, y is variable. Y is variable. Clear? Here power is 1 and here power is 2. Maximum power of this polynomial is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. According to rule, a polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here maximum power is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next. Solution. One plus x is your question. Here plus is operation, 1 is constant, x is variable. Here power is 1. Here power is 1. Maximum power of variable is 1. Hence it is linear polynomial. According to rule, a polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Clear? Here maximum power is 1. Hence it is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Maximum power is 1. Clear? Maximum power is 1. Hence it is linear polynomial. It is clear? Next. Solution. Your question is 3t. Here only one term. Here 2 term. Here 3 term. Here 2 term. Here 2 term. Clear? Here one term. Only one term. 3 is coefficient. A number in front of variable is called its coefficient. Alphabet X, Y, Z, A, B, C, so on is called variable. Here t is variable. Power of t is 1. Hence it is linear polynomial. Here maximum power is 1. Hence it is linear polynomial. Hence it is linear polynomial. Maximum power is 1, hence it is linear polynomial. It is clear? Next, solution. R square. Your question is R square. Here variable is R, maximum power is 2. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. According to rule, a polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Clear? Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Here maximum power is 2, hence it is linear polynomial. Hence it is linear polynomial. It is clear? Next question. Solution. Seven x cube. Your question is 7x cube. Clear? Here 7 is coefficient, x is variable. Its maximum power is 3, hence it is cubic polynomial. According to rule, a polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here maximum power is 3, hence it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Maximum power is 3, hence it is cubic polynomial. You solve your all questions very easily. In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution. So you learn its rule. Clear? According to rule you can solve any question. Clear? No confusion about it. Your solution is easy. Clear your solution? No confusion about it. Very good. Okay.